morning children, welcome to my channel. We are studying economics का chapter 1 of class 10th development and today we are going to cover the topic of public facilities. हमने इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में देखा था कि how income and other criteria are very much important for a country or a state to be classified as developed and developing. I explained you the example of Maharashtra, Kerala and Bihar, that Maharashtra having a high per capita income but still it lags behind in other criteria. Then why they are lagging behind? They are because of public facilities. आज हम इस टॉपिक के बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. Before we end up learning about this topic, let me discuss this statement written on the board. Money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that we need to live. And there's a big question mark. Do you agree that money in your pocket can buy you all the goods and services? Most of them will agree कि बोलेंगे ना हाँ मैम कैसी बातें कर रहे हो आप, when you have lot of money obviously why would you give a second thought, कुछ भी खरीदना हो फटाफट you will buy it and then you will work with it or you will use with it. Understood? When you have money you need not to give a second thought for purchase of any products. But ऐसा नहीं है. Money cannot buy you all the goods and services that you need in life. जैसे हम एग्जाम्पल ले लें, अगर हम दिल्ली की बात करें तो वी ऑल नो कि दिल्ली का पर कैपिटा इनकम एक्सट्रीमली बहुत हाई है, उसका बहुत ज्यादा हाई स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग है. पीपल हैव हाई लग्जरियस लाइफ देयर. Yes or no? But still we face a problem in Delhi, specifically in winters, that is smog या फिर pollution free environment. वो बहुत मुश्किल होता है दिल्ली में. Understood? We all know that the people in Delhi have high per capita income, but are they able to afford a pollution free environment for themselves? No, because money cannot buy you all the goods and services that you want in life. आई बात समझ में कि पॉल्यूशन फ्री एनवायरनमेंट आप पैसों से नहीं खरीद सकते. अब आप बोलोगे कि मैम एयर प्यूरिफायर भी तो लगा सकते हैं. एयर प्यूरिफायर एवरीवन कैन नॉट अफोर्ड, ओनली लग्जरियस पीपल कैन अफोर्ड. एंड दिल्ली के अंदर अगर हम कंपोजिशन देखें तो सारे लग्जरियस नहीं है. देयर आर मेनी फैमिलीज विच आर मीडियम क्लास फैमिलीज और लो स्ट्राटा फैमिलीज, तो दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड. आई एम टॉकिंग समथिंग अबाउट कम्युनिटी. अंडरस्टूड? और दूसरा एग्जाम्पल ले लें कि मनी कैन नॉट गिव यू प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम द इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज. जैसे कि कोरोना ले लें, वेरी मच इन लाइमलाइट. हमें पता है कि कोरोना बहुत ज्यादा एक पैंडेमिक की तरह फैल गया है ऑल ओवर कंट्री. डॉक्टर्स आर कॉन्स्टेंटली एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग टू फाइंड आउट अ वैक्सीन टू प्रिवेंट अस फ्रॉम दिस वायरस. बट देन डू यू हैव एनी सोर्स while having money with you? यानी आपके पास पैसा है लेकिन क्या आपके पास वो सोर्स है जो आपको प्रोटेक्शन दे सकता है कोरोना से? No, you are only preventing yourself by keeping at home and following all the safety methods that are told by the government. But then you cannot have a protection from infectious disease. Understood? Protection from infectious disease cannot be acclaimed individually. यानी आप as an individual खाली अपने लिए प्रोटेक्शन नहीं पा सकते until and unless you and your society comes up together with some idea where you can actually protect yourself. That means I want to say कि all the facilities are not fruitful in an individual way. यानी अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं अकेले pollution free environment लूँ तो आपको नहीं मिल सकता है. Sometimes the facilities have to be shared equally and collectively in the society. When it is shared equally and collectively in the society, they prove to be better. And all those facilities which are shared equally and collectively in the society, they are called as public facilities. Public facilities are mostly offered by the government. अगर हम बात करें कि public facilities are mostly offered by the government, they are meant for the welfare of the people. यानी दो चीजें तो हमने पढ़ ली, that it is offered by the government, meant for the welfare of the people. Okay? ये दो फीचर्स हमने पढ़े पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज के. पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज के और दो फीचर्स क्या होते हैं? दैट दे आर collectively shared by the people of the society. When they are collectively shared by the people of the society, they end up to be the cheapest one. हाँ या ना? Imagine करो ना, if you are traveling from one place to another place, मान लो destination A to B and you are using your personal car. On the same note, if I tell you to use a metro for the same destination from A to B, you will find the fare of metro to be cheapest. Why? Because it is a public facility and it is used collectively. Public facility is directly related to development. कैसे? देखो जितना ज्यादा पब्लिक फैसिलिटी इंप्रूव होगा कंट्री के अंदर, पीपल विल गेट ऑल द फैसिलिटीज एट देयर लेवल्स एंड दैट विल इंक्रीज द लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंट्री. अंडरस्टूड. जैसे कि हम बात करें, हमने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा था दैट देयर आर अदर क्राइटेरियाज आल्सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम इनकम. जैसे कि हम देखें लिटरेसी रेट हो गया, IMR हो गया, दैट इज इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट, या फिर नेट अटेंडेंस रेशियो हो गया. All these three criteria are also important for a state to be contributed under to be you can say to be included as a developed state. Yes or no? तो ये criteria को improve करने का एक ही source होता है, that is called as public facilities. Public facilities helps in improvement of these criteria because government provides services on these areas. अगर हम लिटरेसी रेट और NAR की बात करें, both of them deals with education. So the government provides you with government schools. Yes or no? अब गवर्नमेंट स्कूल जब गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करता है तो दैट इज विद द मोटिव दैट द चिल्ड्रन शुड स्टडी. एक एग्जांपल और ले लेते हैं. इमेजिन करो आप एक विलेज में रहते हो एंड नो वन एल्स इज इंटरेस्टेड इन स्टडीइंग, सिर्फ आप ही इंटरेस्टेड हो, तो विल यू बी एबल टू स्टडी until and unless your parents can afford and can send you to a private school? Apart from that, will you be able to study? No, you won't be able to study because the facilities of education are not an individual facility. It has to be taken in a collective way. When you go in school, ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ आप अकेले ही जाते हो स्कूल में and you are sitting in the class and teachers are coming and constantly teaching. You are the only one child in the whole school. No, such facilities are to be shared at an equal way and in an equal manner so that it appears to be cheapest of all. और ये ऐसी फैसिलिटीज होती हैं जिनको आप इंडिविजुअली अवेल नहीं कर सकते हो, इनको आपको कलेक्टिवली अवेल ही करना पड़ता है. एक और अगर हम एग्जांपल ले लें, आजकल हमें पता है कि अर्बनाइजेशन बहुत ज्यादा है एंड फ्लैट्स का ट्रेंड बहुत चल रहा है. वी ऑल एंड फ्लैट्स आर एनक्लोज्ड इन अ बाउंड्री एंड वी हैव अ सोसाइटी दैट इज रेजिडेंस वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन. और हमें ये भी पता है कि सोसाइटी के बाहर गेट पे वी हैव सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स. राइट. अगर हम सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को देखें, व्हाट डज ही डू? he maintains and he makes sure that enough security has been provided, there is no theft, the people are safe inside the community or in the area of the society. So that means the duty provided by the security guard is a public facility which is basically provided by the government. ऐसा नहीं है गवर्नमेंट देती नहीं है, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स देती है, but then they are lent out through agencies. From there you need to hire, definitely you need to hire for that, because how will you pay otherwise? How will the security guard get the salary, right? So the services given by the security guard is enjoyed collectively by the people. ऐसा हो सकता है क्या कि हर फ्लैट अपने लिए अलग अलग सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स रखे? अगर हर फ्लैट अपने लिए अलग अलग सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स रखेगा तो you won't be able to afford, बहुत कॉस्टली हो जाएगा. Understood? So sometimes we need to make sure that the facilities are used in a collective manner so that it is cheapest and every people can afford it. Okay, the payment to security guard when we are using collectively will not cost more than 1,000 rupees per month, but when you keep an individual security guard it may cross over to rupees 5,000 also, which cannot be afforded by all the people living in the society. Understood? So public facilities basically are being introduced to make sure that people use the cheapest mode of transport to avail a better living standard, and public facilities also help in improvement of these criteria. कैसे होता है? सरकार आपको गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स बना के देती है to improve and to reduce the ratio of infant mortality rate. Understood? जब government hospitals are there, people start going to government hospitals, they take treatment, they get good medicines, and mostly they are getting in cheaper cost. Some of the medicines are given by the government free of cost. Understood? To reduce infant mortality rate. So health facility is a type of a public facility. अगर हम NR और NAR का, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया कि एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट से डील करता है, तो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल is also a part of public facilities. I hope you have understood the concept very clear of how public facilities is related to the government and how it can actually affect a state to be called as a developed state. क्योंकि जिस स्टेट में पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज बहुत अच्छी होगी, सो ऑल दीज 3 क्राइटेरियाज will improve, and when all these 3 criterias will improve, it will lead to development of that state. Understood? इस टॉपिक में से क्वेश्चन बहुत रेयर आता है, पर आता है तो 3 मार्क में या 5 मार्क में ही आता है. क्वेश्चन 3 मार्क का ये हो सकता है that why is a person having a high per capita income in Maharashtra and a person who's having a low per capita income in Kerala when are compared, so the person living in Maharashtra lags behind as compared to the person living in Kerala. Then you need to actually explain income and other criteria and public facility. एक और question आता है, do you think that the services should be shared individually or equally? In case they are shared individually, what are their consequences? Explain in support of public facilities. Understood? आई बात समझ में. With this we come to an end of this video and I will upload the other videos too soon. You go through your book very carefully, read the concepts, see the video again in case you have any doubt. In case you have any doubt, please mention it in the comment section. I'll be solving it as soon as possible. Thank you.